to work in an environment that exudes everything that you stand for, the only way you can do that is if it's your own. And what I stand for is everybody's welcome here. Hi, my name's Julianne Gray. I'm the owner of In Bloom House of Beauty. We offer hair, nail, and waxing services, and we're located in McKeesport, PA. When I was a little girl, I used to sneak in my mom's car for her hair appointments, and I always watched her hairdresser do her hair, and I loved it. So once I was 15, I started beauty school at the technical school that was offered. So I graduated at 18 with my license, and I spent 4 years working in a salon as an assistant and stylist, and then I spent another 10 years at another salon before I decided that to run a business the way that you want to run a business, you have to own your own business. And to work in an environment that exudes everything that you stand for, the only way you can do that is if it's your own. And what I stand for is everybody's welcome here. We chose McKeesport because even though to some people it might seem like the underdog of an area, my family is from here and it deserves to have a place that everybody can come to and get their hair done and their nails done and their waxing done. I would definitely recommend Duquesne SBDC to anybody that wants to start a new business, whether they've never gone to business school, whether they have an associate's, a bachelor's, or even a master's. The Duquesne SBDC Quick Start Workshop was perfect for me as a refresher, and then Cindy introduced me to so many people that can help me, such as Huntington, who I'm baking with, our merchant services. I did a QuickBooks workshop through Duquesne SBDC, so Duquesne really helped me with all of the resources that they provide, and most of which are free or very, very cheap. And a lot of people qualify for it, and there's resources there. People just have to take advantage of it, and I'm certainly glad that I did.